but damn it, it ain't right. Someone else controlling me. That in the air, trapped in the electric chair. Can't be happening to me. Who made you, God, to say I'll take your life from you? Flash before my eyes. Now it's time to die. Oh, burning in my brain, I can feel the flame. Wait for the sign to flip the switch of death. It's the beginning of the end. What chilling cold is I was death and bold. Consciousness my only friend. My fingers grip with fear. What am I doing here? Flash before my eyes. Now it's time to die. Oh, burning in my brain, I can feel the flame. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh. Someone help me, please God help me. Trying to take it all away. I don't want to die. Please God help me, trying to take it all away. I don't want to die. Hey, 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 now! The minutes seem like hours, fun couldn't cost, see. How true is this? Just get it over with. If this is true, just let it be. Wake in my horrid scream, free from this frightening dream. Flash before my eyes, now it's time to die, yeah. Burning in my brain, I can feel the flame, hey. Oh man, it's gonna be a good night tonight. I feel it, I feel it. I feel it right here, and I feel it all out there, man.